What's up, everyone? No, it's been a while. Gonna do a little Keith DeFazio style video for you all. I'm just using my cell phone and my cell phone audio, so I hope this turns out all right. And it's gonna be a little quick, dirty, just a little tech tip. And I want to show you something that I see pretty regularly on these Corolla. So on this 2012 Corolla, I want you to focus on the oxygen sensor circuit high voltage and the control module performance code, the P0138 and P0607. Now that P0607 sets anytime it sees voltage above 1 volt, so the computer knows that the oxygen sensor can only make basically up to 1 volt. When it sees over 1 volt, it sets that control module performance code. It sets that usually because the heater circuit is shorted to the signal circuit of the oxygen sensor. So you have 12 volts going through the signal circuit of the oxygen sensor. And the big thing is, on these 2012-ish Corollas, the best tech tip I can give you is to reach down and touch the carpet. Now this car doesn't smell at all, but this carpet is soaked, and you can actually see water dripping out of here. So what happens is, pull this back, you have your electrical connector for your oxygen sensor here. And this water drips directly onto this connector for your oxygen sensor. It fills up with water, and the water shorts the heater circuit to the signal circuit. So I'm gonna have to clear the drain from this heater box down here, and this car will be fixed. I just I don't want to see anyone getting burnt shotgunning sensors in this thing without checking this. So just for the sake of this short little video, I'm going to clear this drain from this passenger side. I just dumped out this bucket. I didn't expect this much water to come out. This thing was full. All right, so there you have it. That will fix this code. Now, I know this isn't a typical video with scopes and everything, but just want to let you all know that I am still alive. I know it's been what, 5, 6, 7 weeks since I've made a video, so just something I wanted to show you all, because I've seen it a couple times, and I've seen oxygen sensors get shotgunned at these cars and not fix it. So hope you all like this little quick tip, and see you all hopefully soon.